Hello students, very good morning. We are doing lesson 3 MS Access 2007 and today we will be discussing the back exercise, that is fill in the blanks first. Okay. So we are given hints also, so we'll try to fill in the answers in the blanks. So first one is dash is an organized way of storing information. So as we have already done in the lesson, so this is known as a database. Okay, so I'm typing the answer and check that this is correct or not, right? So this is right, so the correct answer to this fill in the blank is a database. Second is all the columns in a table are called, these are known as fields, like your name, father name, roll number. Okay, so these are also known as the fields. So I'm typing here fields, so and check the answer, this should be correct. Okay, a dash contains the values for all the fields that belong to a single person or entity. So we call it as a record, or we can call it as a record. Okay. So one record contains the values for one particular person or one particular item. So we write the answer as a record. So this should also be true. It's right. Okay. Now fourth one is a memo data type is store maximum of dash character. See, we already know that the for writing long paragraphs, we can store long also, and there is a limit 65,536. So these many characters can be written in one field if you define it of the type memo data type. Okay, so 65,536 characters. So we check the answer. It should be right. Okay. Next one is fifth. The dash generates the sequential numbers whenever a new record is added to a table. Okay. So when we are designing a table, and if you select the data type as auto number, so it will generate you the number. You did not write the numbers. Okay. So the type should be auto number. Right. Click. Maybe spelling wrong. I'll let me check. Auto number. We check it. Okay. Maybe some wrong type. Okay, sixth one is a dash stores up to 1 GB of data. So this is a hyperlink. If you decide the type as a hyperlink, so it can store up to 1 GB. Okay, so we check the answer. That's right. Okay, the next one is the primary key is a dash key. Primary key is a toggle key. What does a toggle mean? It is off once and you click on the button, it will be on. So you can turn it on or off. Okay, this type of keys are known as toggle keys. So I'm writing the answer toggle. Okay, right. Okay, we proceed further, and this is true or false. So you can create a relationship between two tables by using a unique field. So this is true. Okay. If there are two different tables and you want to create a relationship, we'll be doing later. Okay, but you can establish some relationship between two tables, but you should be having some field common. Okay. So it should be a unique field in both the tables. Then only you can establish the relationship. Okay, so you can create a relationship between two tables by using a unique field. So it should be true. Okay, so that's right. Now we come to second, true or false. Table, query, report and forms can be created in Microsoft Access. Students, this is true. We have already done to create the tables. So we'll be doing queries, reports, forms in the next lessons. So this is all possible in MS Access. So I'm writing the answer as true. Okay, come to third one. DBMS stands for Data and Business Management Software. So we have already studied that this is not a data and business management software. This is database management system. So we can call it as a false. Right. A table can have only one primary key. So this is true. Okay. You cannot have two fields which can be assigned the primary key. So once you try to assign some other field as a primary key, the primary key feature is removed from the previous field. Okay. So a table can have only one primary key. Can have or you cannot have also. But if you want, you can have maximum one. You cannot have more than one primary key. So there can be a table without the primary key also. So but maximum limit is 1. So it should be true. Check. This table saves the table automatically after saving it once. This is also true. We come to next. A primary key button is available on the design tab. So if you see the screen of MS Access, the interface of that, you will find this button in the design tab. So this is true. Right. Only data type stores link of web pages. This is not. That data type is hyperlink. Okay. So we can mark this as false. So that's right. Okay. So we proceed further. Multiple choice questions. Dash is an application software which is used to create, modify, and extract data from the database. Okay. So that is known as database management system. And one of the example of database management system software is MS Access that we are doing. So I'm clicking the first answer, database management system. Okay, that's right. Second one, Dash is standard file name extension of a database in Microsoft Office 2007. Okay, so if you save a file, the second part of the file name is given by the system, and in MS Access, this file name given is .accdb. So C is the correct answer. We go to third. Dash are user-friendly interfaces that facilitates the process of entering data in table and queries. Students will be learning. We can enter the record and database datasheet view also, but there are special design forms, design structure which are known as forms. Through that also we can enter the data in the tables and in the uh, what you can say, in the table or in the queries. So I'm answering on the B option. Okay, so that's right. So we proceed further. Multiple choice questions. Fourth one, which key moves the cursor to the previous field in a datasheet view? Previous means before, the last. Okay, as we know that shift key takes the pointer to the next, and shift plus tab, tab key takes to the next field, and shift plus tab it brings to the previous one back. So I'm taking the answer A. It should be the right answer. Okay, next. What do you call the area where you can view the record numbers you have entered in the table? Okay, you know, in the at the bottom of a datasheet view in MS Access, we have this record navigation bar displayed at the bottom, which gives you the option to add new record and to navigate between the previous records. So this area is known as a record navigation bar. So I'm clicking this answer, C answer, which should be right. Okay, fine. Next, sixth one, which icon indicates the edit mode in MS Access? Whenever you want to make some changes, so that is known as edit mode. Okay, so the icon shape is of the pencil shape. Okay, so this is the right answer. Okay, students, we have already done two lessons now. Lesson 1, networking concepts, and lesson 3, working with MS Access 2007. And in term 1, this will be MCQ paper for you. Okay, so there can be 20 MCQs based on both the lessons. So you are already sent the videos. We have already done the back exercise of both the lessons. So MCQs can be prepared from within the lesson or from the back exercise, or it can be from fill in the blanks also, and it can be taken from the true falses also. Okay, so you're supposed to prepare both the lessons for term 1. All the best. Okay, bye.